world, world. For some reason, for some reason. Forget, forget. Step, step. Stretch, stretch. Sad, sad. Cheeky, cheeky. Kind, kind. Miserable, miserable. Empty, empty. Sack, sack. Treasure, treasure. Creep up to, creep up to. Hole, hole. Land, land.
Myths are stories that contain the traditional beliefs of different cultures.
Cultures across the world have their own myths. These stories are about beliefs, historical events, mythical creatures, or the world around us. In Kazakhstan, in the steppe that covers most of the country, there is the beautiful green Borovo National Park. People have their own story about how this park came to be.
The Pearl of Kazakhstan is Borovo National Park. It came to be because Aldar Koser made a hole in the creator's sack, and the mountains, lakes, forests, rivers, fish and wild animals all fell out there. The Pearl of Kazakhstan. The Creator made the world, and He gave high mountains, clear lakes and green forests to all the countries. But for some reason, He forgot about the Kazakh people. He left them only with the huge steppe that stretched across the country. It was beautiful, but the people were sad. Where were their mountains and lakes and forests? Where were their rivers and fish and wild animals? Aldar Koser was a cheeky man, but very kind. He didn't like to see the Kazakh people so miserable, so he decided to go and see the Creator himself. "Oh, wise Creator," called Aldar Koser. "The Kazakh people are good. Why did you give them only the empty steppe? Can you please give us some mountains too?" So the Creator gave Kazakhstan the Karatau Mountains. Aldar Koser watched carefully. He saw that the Creator took the mountains from a sack. "That's where the Creator keeps all the treasures," thought Aldar Koser. Quietly, Aldar Koser crept up to the sack and made a hole in it. The rest of the treasures fell out. Mountains, lakes, forests, rivers and fish and wild animals too. They landed in Kazakhstan, right in the middle of the empty steppe. The people were happy. Even today, you can see all the treasures from the Creator's sack in one place, in Borovo National Park, the Pearl of Kazakhstan.
high, clear, clear, huge, huge, beautiful, beautiful,
cheeky, cheeky,
wise, wise, happy, happy.
The Donkey in the Lion's Skin. This is a story about a donkey. This donkey was lazy and silly, and none of the other animals respected or feared him. Most of all, the fox laughed at him. One day, the donkey was walking through the forest when he found a lion's skin. "A hunter has left this here," he thought. The donkey put on the lion's skin. Just then, a deer came through the trees. She saw the donkey, but thought he was a lion. Terrified, she turned and ran for her life. The donkey thought this was very funny. He liked feeling powerful and scary. That afternoon, he hid beside the path in the forest, wearing the lion's skin and jumping out at the other animals. They all ran away in fear. At last, the fox came along the path. As before, the donkey jumped out and the fox ran away. Seeing this, the donkey let out a great hee-haw of laughter. The fox heard this and immediately stopped running. He turned round and walked back to the donkey. "A fool can dress up and look impressive," the fox told the donkey. "But as soon as he opens his mouth, everyone will know who he truly is."
I chose this story because I thought it was funny and wise. It shows us that people who try to be aggressive and scary are probably just pretending.